The Government of India, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has accelerated the transition to green energy with solar adoption. This is evident from the achievement of the COP21 target of 40% renewable by 2030, 9 years ahead of schedule. Solar with 48.55 gigawatt has been at the forefront of leading this India's clean energy transition. This has been possible due to government's consistent and conducive policy actions, which is for renewables. The PLI budget expected to be increased to 24,000 crores for solar cells and modules, and India's net zero emission target by 2070 will bring incredible new opportunities. In the upcoming union budget, we are hopeful that the government will continue the targeted initiatives and policies to further strengthen the domestic solar manufacturing sector, aligned to Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. With India's growing importance in the international trade, global economics are looking at India to diversify their supply lines. Hence, it is important for domestic manufacturers to be incentivized. This will accelerate economic recovery, create jobs, attract investments, increase exports, reduce import dependence, and enable India's energy security. The budget must also continue to focus on boosting private investments and enhance expenditure on infrastructure. To increase global competitiveness of domestic solar manufacturers, the imposition of basic custom duty on solar cells and modules, which is supposed to be effective from 1st April 22, is very important to prevent low-quality dumping from China and other countries. Additionally, enhance the export incentive of RoDTEP rates to ensure it includes advance authorization along with SEZ are critical to policy interventions. Further, to encourage domestic solar manufacturers to build scale with quality, the government should consider capital subsidy for setting up R&D infrastructure. 60% of solar units are operating out of SEZs. Hence, the upcoming budget must consider clearance from special economic zone units to domestic tariff area units on a duty foregone basis. The budget must also allow conversion of SEZ units into DTA and permit them to operate from the same infrastructure. I am confident that the government's policy push and collaborative efforts through public-private partnership, the target of 500 gigawatt by 2030 is achievable, and India can become a solar manufacturing hub. Thank you.